that I may air my own opinion this hour. And I am doing this now. A lot of people has called me. A lot of people has called me. Both people I shouldn't look down on. But yesterday night, I heard something. Is it yesterday night or this morning? I think this morning. Somebody sent me videos. And it is according to that video I wish to deal with right now. You are watching me here. Let me load the music. So, to everyone listening to me on this hour, my name is Prince Madabuchenyi Olilanya Ndimo, the people's governor. A lot of people called me, and yesterday night a very close friend sent me a video. Let me off the music so that you will hear me and hear exactly what I am going to say here. Okoye Collins, you've talked about it and I off the music and you kept commenting further. The fact is that I have zero tolerance for bullshit. Now, according to what I heard Ogechi saying, sorry, network was bad. So according to what Ogechi said there, they now asked Jpac to apologize back to Ogechi so that there will be peace. According to Ogechi, they say Jpac refused. Now, let me say this in the open. Let it not look as if in the secret, because a lot of people are doing sort of eye service. I also heard where Eva Comedy opened her mouth and was saying certain things. I will come back to you, Eva, here on this camera, because the last time I did video against you, you called me on the phone and tried to dialogue with me. I heard you and I walked off your way. But for hearing you adding more flame on that from the video I heard, I'm not too sure if that video was made yesterday because I don't watch Ogechi. But if that video was made yesterday, the person who also sent me these videos, I am very sorry, I'm not using it to fight anybody. But in that video, I heard everything Eva Comedy said there. Eva, let me tell you one thing. The person who called Ogechi, I believe you watched that side before you now saw where Ogechi got flamed. Eva, you heard these things. You were supposed to be a mediator of peace. But all of these things you never did anyone. I will come back to you because I'm going to go tell them more now, so that you get some piece of senses. I'm not angry at Ogechi on that video. Whatever she has been saying, I don't care. But for you, as a woman, as a mother, you are Eva Comedy. The moment you saw that line of peace that somebody extended it, you were supposed to embrace it. But you came to do saga and you run to your page and say that you don't do saga ever. Amaroma, if that your ass is bigger than your brain or does not give you space to reason like human being. If it were me on that page, you won't see me trigger more for trouble. Many of you don't know how many times I speak to Jpac, and Jpac used his mouth on live camera and said that on or before he started responding. I was one of those people on him who stood on him and said, don't make a video, don't reply, don't do anything. And it was as if I was like commanding him, and I made him to understand with all sense of humility, sir, I am not controlling you. I am only appealing to you because things might get better one morning. You may still need Ogechi. Jpac is alive and this is video. He said it with his mouth on camera. So those close to Jpac, what are they supposed to be doing? They are supposed to tell him, nah, that's okay, that's okay. You keep doing that. And those close to Ogechi, Mezugo and others, these are the angles they were supposed to participate in. People has called me. I know how many persons that must have called me, that I've discussed with. Should I look down on these great men who will come to you in the private and tell you, nah, that's enough? At my comment section, go and read. I know series of comments. People comment there. I hardly read comments except if I'm on live broadcast like this. People screenshotted many equally and showed me. The ones people were commenting, I saw them. And almost everybody expected at least Governor Ezioku, Reverend Ephraim Onoye, many other people to be on the side of bringing peace. If actually we have sense. Underline this word. I say, if actually we have some senses, this is what people expect us to do. And in the private, I challenge Jpac to appear on camera and tell me that I have told him, Siana, many of you don't know about this. That's why I always tell people that the peace I enjoy inside myself, inside of me, is more superlative than what you can imagine where you are. Keep your judgment apart because you are not a witness. When I watched that video shortly minutes ago on the airport road here, somebody called me and asked me to go back and check my that I should go back and check my WhatsApp. So I checked. It was the same video again. Another person sent to me and said, but I told you, Governor Ezioku. And I explained myself to the person. But meanwhile, hold on, let me do this. For witness purposes, let me call Jpac. Right now, after calling Jpac, I will call one or two other persons. He's busy in my call, maybe on live. Maybe he's watching. Jpac, if you're watching, pick. Hello, Jpac. Okay, he doesn't know. Somebody said leave Ezugo Global alone. He's making peace in his Nicodemus way. Ezugo, he said Ezugo was doing great, was doing a great job.